Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix RCS message sent problem. If you want to solve RCS chat sending problem, let's see the solution. Step 1. Open your message app. Tap on your message profile. Now go to your message setting. Tap on RCS chat. From here, make sure your RCS chat is enabled. Now go back to your home screen. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out Google. Tap on Google. Now click All Service. Scroll down and find out phone number verification. From here, turn off phone number verification. Now go back to your setting and find out apps. Go to apps. Now click on choose default app. Click on SMS app. From here, make sure your Google Message is your default SMS app. Now go back to your setting and go to apps. Now search message app. Go to message app. Scroll down and click on storage. From here, click on clear all data from message app. Don't worry about it, your all messages remain in your phone. So follow all of this step to fix RCS message sent problem.